Guys, we have another engine. This one is gas or petrol. And also, look, it's got a clear cylinder head so we can see what's going on inside it. And we got Stemp in the house. So that's Stempy's department, the fan blades. Oh, starter motor, that's Stempy's department. Spark plug.
What's this manual saying, Kev?
Oh, I'll have a look, boy. What's going on, man?
Come on, man. Why are we struggling with tools like this? Oh, come on, man.
Hey!
Please use the correct and stable engine stand. Where's that then?
Oh, this.
Okay, you got the wood.
Yeah.
Not use engine mounts that are weak or defective. If the width of the engine bracket needs to be adjusted, please purchase OEM.
A bit of professional, bit of fabrication going on here. We got this mount here for this side, but on this side we can't get to it because it's got the exhaust in the way.
Oh, right.
So we're going to have to make do with just one mount. Alright, there we go. I think we're good to go. We've got the spark plug wired up, we've got it earthed, we've got the ignition module on here, 1-volt battery for the spark, fuel tank. And if we look inside here, look, we turn that over slowly, check it out, look, you can see all the piston move up and down, we can see the valves opening and closing. Hopefully, once we get the petrol in there, or the gasoline, we're going to see the combustion in process. Here we got the 4-stroke nitro water-cooled lump, but we're going to be using this starter motor module here to power this one.
Are they ready? Oh, look.
I've got sparking, is it?
Oh. No, is that flattened then or what?
Well, it's a new battery in there.
Is that connected up okay?
Try pushing that in while it's going. Oh, stop.
Wait, that's getting flooded, isn't it?
We can't get it to work, guys, so we're going to have to email the company and then get a solution, and then we'll get back to it another day. Alright, so guys, I think we got it to work. In the instructions, it said 1.5 volts for the ignition, so that's what we did, but it didn't give any spark. So then, we got a brand new one, but the brand new one says on there 7.4 volts. And this one looks the same as this one, but without a cover. So we plugged 7.4 volt into that one, and now we've got a spark. Boom! There we go. And we got Stemp back in the house.
What? What's doing?
Oh, I think that's flooding, boy. I think we're going to lean him off a bit.
What?
Oh. Is it too rich?
I don't know. No.
Alright guys, we've been playing about with it and the timing is actually miles out. So if you hold the sensor to the side here, it actually runs. There we go. There we go, we've made up a bracket. Let's see if it works. Lean it.
Oh, what's going on there?
I leaned it there. Check this out, we've got a little nitrous oxide system. So in a future video, we're going to hook it up and see what happens. We've got some different engines over here, look, we've got this one here, hit and miss engine, we're going to have a little play with in a minute on a different video. And in here, we've got something that's a little bit special, which is also going to be in a different video. But we're going to be running these engines on nitrous. And then also we're going to put this nitrous oxide system into a couple of RC cars. So make sure you subscribe and smash the bell so you don't miss it.